Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden. All this month, we're bringing you Super Bowls, and good thing because look outside, the weather outside is real snowy and these will warm your tummy. Today we're bringing you a mock wedding soup, low carb, 2 minutes from stovetop to table, and it's gonna be great. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a chicken stock, an organic chicken stock, and you can turn on your stovetop and just pour the whole thing in the pot. In traditional wedding soup, you have these little tiny veal meatballs, and that really takes a lot of time to make. So to cut corners and cut time for you, what we're using is a chicken sausage that I already pre-cut. It has 5 in the package. We're just gonna add it right to our soup base. Wedding soup also has spinach, and we're gonna use about a half a bag of fresh spinach. If when the soup cooks down you decide you want more, go ahead and use a whole bag. If not, save it for What's in the Fridge Wednesday, which you can find each week on Instagram. I show you what you can do with your leftovers that you didn't use everything in the recipe for. Now, the last ingredient, instead of acini de pepe, which is in a regular traditional wedding soup, we're going to use riced cauliflower. You can, I bought it frozen in the frozen section at Trader Joe's, so you can either defrost it in your refrigerator overnight or stick a bowl in the microwave, which is what I did. We're just going to put the whole thing in here. And this is instead of your pasta. So now you've turned your soup into a low-carb delight. This will serve about 4. You can find all the nutritional information as well as the cost per serving on my website, which is www.mindens.com. Follow us on Instagram where we'll post pictures of the finished product. And if you send me a picture, we'll put it on our website under testimonials. And that's it. Mock wedding soup in 2 minutes, direct from your stovetop to your table. Thanks for joining us.